Ladies and gentlemen, Molly Cocker here, your 24/7 champion. And we got a good match set up for you today, right now, this week. It's Yellow Skull. This is a one-on-one matchup. This is basically repercussion for the attack that occurred on Megafly. Oh yeah, and this is Black Blood. I'm just dazed and confused, ladies and gentlemen. I've had this title for all of 20 minutes. And it's already going to my head. Gonna get it set up for this one-on-one match, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. Referee getting in the ring. He's gonna check on him.
Good. You ready? Don't think I forgot about you taking my title. Good thing I don't care about it much. You ready?
I don't know what he's talking about. I've never seen this man in my life.
Alright, ready?
Wait a minute. Is that Megafly? Why is he coming out here? There he is, ladies and gentlemen.
So, talked to Magic a little earlier today. And instead of this being a singles match, it's now a triple threat. With each Joe coming in next week, I gotta pick up a little steam. And I do have a bone to pick with the Yellow Skull over there for attacking me.
You heard it here, ladies and gentlemen.
Put 'em up.
You heard it here.
Alright.
This singles match is officially a triple threat match.
Alright, I already know these two already. You ready? Ready. Alright, let's get this match started.
Looks like a little communication between the Megafly and Flash Blood. Ooh! Ring dive by the Megafly. Ooh! Flying clothesline by Flash Blood. There are no countouts in a triple threat match. Should be remembered. Looks to me like Yellow Skull's gonna have to regret attacking Megafly and then Flash Blood.
Triple threat, man. Come on.
Ooh! Suplex by the Megafly. Flash Flood, his first ever triple threat, I think. Clothesline. Guys, I think I'm running low on punk junk. Oh. Ooh. Bulldog to the Yellow Skull. Megafly is looking like the champion he is. Starting off real hot in this match. Ooh, Flash Blood showing he ain't no slouch. Ooh, there those are. Ooh, the claws and the uppercut. Choke slam this early. Rolls out. Ooh, drop kick. Some strikes by the Megafly. Flash blood. Reverses the bulldog. Ooh. I don't think you got all of that. Ooh. Choke. Kicks. Throws him off another bulldog. Oh, that was the cleanest kick out of it. Oh, I'm feeling it. My teeth hurt, ladies and gentlemen. Throws flash blood. Yellow Skull's the only one standing right now. Yellow Skull thought he was being slick with a little double move, but Megafly and Flash Flood were ready. Little snapmare, headlock.
Do you give? Flash Flood, do you give? No. He doesn't give, Megafly. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Ooh, a little double elbow action. Yellow Skull's definitely going to have to work doubly as hard. Have to take on these two combatants who definitely have a bone to pick with him. Ooh, uppers. Reverse. Oh, into a neck breaker. Submission. But Megafly's getting up.
No, it's supposed to be up.
Double submission. Oh my goodness, a chain of full Nelsons.
Flash Flood, do you give? Oh. Oh. I don't.
Yellow Skull out?
1. You're gonna lose. 2. Oh.
Picks him up.
Flash Flood. Flash Flood.
Yellow Skull sits up.
1.
Flash Blood's fading.
2. 2. 2.
He's not out yet.
Got it.
Ooh. Megafly pushes Flash Blood into Yellow Skull. Almost like a shoulder tackle. Megafly still holding the grudge. Or when Yellow Skull attacked him. Crossbody. Pin.
2.
Yellow Skull kicks out.
That was 2.
Classic Yellow Skull with the sit-ups. Throws Megafly. Little bit of a collision. There he is with those strikes. Haven't seen Flash Flood in a minute. Yellow Skull's out of the ring.
Speak of the devil.
Oh.
Ooh. Flash Flood with a good offense going against Megafly. Going for the pin.
1, 2, 2,
2 count.
2.
Ooh. Flash Flood, the strong and silent type, but man, he lets his actions do the talking. I think he was going for his finish. Just Megafly kicked his head off.
Hey, Molly Crockery, how you doing?
Oh, hey, man, what's up?
What's up, buddy? It's Bruce Billis here.
You freaking late.
I'm sorry.
You missing this triple threat? Oh my goodness!
Oh my God!
You got here at a
Double
good time.
choke slam.
Double
Wow.
choke slam
Well, that double choke slam was very good. Now, Yellow Skull,
for the pin.
2,
he's a very terrifying man,
2.
Yeah, he is.
and I still don't like him though. I'm, you know me, Molly Crockery. I am not. I don't like EGW.
Yeah, I would say the same thing, but man, them punk kids, they got this good juice. I'm telling you,
Oh,
you should try it. It's called Punk Junk.
it's one punch junk.
Buy it at Malwart. Ref's not
1,
paying attention.
2.
That might have been a 3 count.
That could have been a 3 count if the ref if the ref was focused.
Listen, you gotta stop talking about that pump chunk. It's getting me, confused.
Ooh.
Might want to try it.
The punch. Well, I'm trying punk chuck in the back right now. Megafly's got him in the suplex position, and boom, there it is. Dang, that was a beautiful suplex right there, followed by a
Splash.
splash.
1.
And Flash Flood breaking things up very quickly.
Megafly's gonna have to pay attention to where his opponents are.
Now let's talk about this newcomer, Flash Flood, real quick. Flash Flood, I feel like he's the underdog of this match.
Oh yeah, definitely. By
Because,
far.
you know, you got Megafly, who is a veteran, Yellow Skull, who is a veteran, and then you got Flash Flood, who's new, but has made an impact here so far at ACWF.
He's had some wins, he's had some losses. I think he's just feeling out. Ooh, ACWF as a whole.
Well, if you think about it, that loss was probably, I guess, a 5-minute match against Nemesis.
Yep.
That's
Definitely not the best start.
Definitely not the best start at all.
I'll have to say that.
Whoa! Oh!
Yeah, let's go reversing a double move, a double suplex into a single suplex, and then a headlock. Looks like he wanted to suplex Megafly.
But Megafly just was basically saying, hell no, you're not suplexing me. Yeah, I ain't that easy. Ooh. Oh, that punch in
But
the
those
gut.
those strikes he's notorious for.
I think it's those claws of Yellow Skull that's basically given. It does a lot of damage to the body.
1,
Another pin.
2, and he kicks out right at 2.
2.
Wow. What a match this is, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to ECWF,
Some
a triple
slap.
threat match. Oh, it's a nice
Ooh,
little
trading slaps.
slaps to the chest.
He's picking him up.
Picking him up, man. What's going on here? Let's see what he's gonna do. Oh man!
Ooh.
Big time spine buster. Oh, and Megafly again
1.
breaking things up. Megafly wants this win. Now, Molly Crockery, is the Sunshine State title on the line?
No siree. This was originally a singles match between Yellow Skull and Flash Flood for the attack that happened earlier, and Megafly came out last second.
Wow.
Orders of Magic Adkins, making this a triple threat.
Wow. Well, definitely Magic Atkins definitely trying to surprise the fans here in ACWF. Of course, with this triple threat match. And these are two very talented wrestlers. I'm not going to lie, Flash Flood is a talented wrestler. But if you see, Yellow Skull has the power.
1.
Suplex with the bridge. Oh, he's got the inside cradle. Inside cradle. Oh my God, that was Flash Flood almost got the win there.
Ooh.
Code Breaker. Oh my God! You just Yellow Skull getting turned inside out with that Code Breaker. Wait! Oh, he's got the Swarm.
The Swarm. Oh,
He could tap
Flash
out
Flood
here.
was not ready for that one.
Oh my
Into
God!
a
An Exploder suplex! That was an Exploder suplex, right?
Something like that. I don't
Something
know,
like
man.
that. I think it might be an Exploder suplex.
I may be your 24/7 champion, but I have never wrestled a match
Oh
in
yeah,
my
I
life.
forgot you're 24/7 champion.
That's right, man.
Okay.
Don't
bet.
remind me.
Ref talking crap.
The 24/7 champion, huh? Oh, and
Ooh.
Yellow Skull taking the advantage here, taking a very late advantage. And Yellow Skull with the pin. Is he gonna be here? Oh my God, he kicked out.
2.
Yellow Skull has the advantage. He definitely should not just stand around. He should take the advantage and take advantage of the attack.
Take advantage and take advantage.
Take advantage and take advantage. Absolutely.
Definitely.
Yeah, definitely take advantage and take advantage.
Take his advice from Marlon Cockery himself. Sometimes you
Marlon
just gotta
Cock-
take advantage of a situation.
Marlon Cockery, you inspire me with your words.
I appreciate it.
Oh, he's got the fit. I think I've seen this before. This might be his finisher.
Oh. Yellow Skull's too powerful.
Yellow Skull is definitely too
He
powerful.
couldn't finish.
I guess Flash Flood is telling him to
He's asking for a double team.
definitely asking for a double team. Everybody's just basically just like, I
He
don't
does
really
not
want-
say much, but we can tell. Ooh.
That's it. That's basically it.
It's like they want to take turns.
Oh my God! Oh!
Megafly
my
said, "No way, Jose. This is still a triple threat match."
Oh!
Was that a
my
DDT
God.
and a Bulldog?
That was beautiful. What's he gonna do?
Oh, no.
Let's go sky high! Sky
A
high!
double.
He's going sky high! With
Ooh.
double sky high to the back. And let's
Uphill.
know this is. Oh my! What? What?
2. Sorry, 2.
Maybe he picked the wrong opponent. Flash Blood's over there. Chokes up. Oh, he's
Oh, he got the
into
swarm.
the swarm.
Into the swarm. Are you kidding me?
Grape Skull, do you give? Grapes.
Grave Skull, says the ref.
Oh!
I'd like to remind him that this is
Really?
Yellow Skull.
Excuse
It's Yellow Skull, ref.
Listen,
One
EGW,
more time.
EGW.
Someone, we got the freaking ambulance coming
Ambulance is rolling
for,
in for Yellow Skull.
who just hit by another Sky High.
Another sky high.
My-
Ladies and gentlemen, that's
2.
Are you
Kick
kidding
out.
me? Kicked out of 2 sky highs.
Flash Flood was right there too. Who's gonna capitalize? Everyone's losing their battery.
And I'm losing my mind.
That is a good song. Flash Flood says no need for that EGW trash.
All right, here we go. He's got this. Oh,
Ooh.
Cold Breaker!
Flash Flood almost flying out of the ring.
And let's see one.
Oh no,
more-
Mr. Swarm, come on!
Oh no, he's doing
It's
Swarm.
swarm time.
This is the second time I guess Megafly's move, and then he always proves me wrong. Anyways, he's got the Swarm
I think
locked
he
in.
switches it up last second just to spite you, to be honest.
I honestly, that is. Oh my God! Jesus
Classic
Christ.
Megafly DDT right there.
Last time! Let's go sky high!
The sky high, baby! One more sky high. Let's see if
Breaking.
third time's the charm here. Molly Cockery.
2. 3.
And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Megafly gets the win. Megafly
Yellow
gets that
Skull
win.
getting up too late.
Woohoo! Woo!
Here's your title.
Megafly gets the win.
Some fan singing his own version of
Yeah.
Megafly's theme song.
Something,
yeah.
yeah.
Oh!
Payback's a bitch, isn't it?
Megafly, our Sunshine State champion.
You're not done yet. Next week is our big
That's
showdown.
right. Flash Flood's in the triple threat fatal four-way. Thank you, Flash Flood. Fatal four-way match for the Sunshine State title. I'm Mullen Cockery. Some crazy fan. And this is ACWF.